1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
My name is Asia Green and baby, I'm a beast. I get on any beat and it becomes a feast. And this is for the school, so I couldn't cuss. But just know that my bars are off the effing leash. I'm headed to the top till ain't no breath in me. Your man be in my DM, but I decline him respectfully. I know you feel it, cause this music thing my destiny. My bars are so official, I blow the whistle, I referee now. Everybody wanna be a little hip-hopper / philosopher. I'm on my Aristotle, you imposter, you air apostle. I stand 5'2", but my bars so colossal. Fish scale bars just so dope. I think I got them scared, competition got no hope. This is what I do, boo, known to go Fruit Loops. Pretty little hood thing, but I knock a tooth loose, yeah.
Jimmy says you benefit from my synthesis. Sync rapping flowing through my water with no penmanship. Chris Rock mics like comics wearing retro J's. I'm Jay Reddick from the line with 3 seconds and get it poppin' like collarbone thugs and harmony. Pardon me, Pop was an addict, so dope blinds ain't hard for me. Fill it inside your arteries, jamming your blood clot, damage your mental, sorted like Cynthia Damage Central. Give me your plot if you talking about Greek. Cause she got the clock tower unplugged like MTV, Vietnam bombing, Chris Canonic, kick flows, and I kick knowledge with Tim Zone. Thermodynamic, I'm a problem. If you rapping, stop it, check your options, right click. Your only fan is built in with a light switch. I'm not cocky, I tried it, I just pray more. So watch your boy blow up like Claymore.
Hey yo, they tap my homie Cell for the things that he sell. Now my brother doing 10, sitting in the cell. Ain't too many of us left, hoping we don't fail. I'm just praying to the heavens while I'm sitting in hell. Mom's only son, I'm the one that she worry about. I could hear her telling me, Rob, just make it out. So what more to do but keep moving and make a way? I'll be damned if my mother gotta put me in the grave. Patron sipping, linen pants while on the beach. Gucci flip-flops, I got sand on my feet. I'm a hustler, baby, nothing handed to me. Grand Dam on the Ave, few grams in the feet. Got the hammer and the fleece, I use it for protection. I'm a peaceful dude, never a man for the beef. If you hand me a beat, watch what I do to it. That boy is on fire, the man is a beast. And that's life.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 10 crack commandments. Just hopped off the flight, Cloudline Airlines just landed. Feeling like the man and these haters can't stand it. Not an actor, always dapper, super intellectual. Lyrics so incredible, just switching your perceptual. Stacking cheese paste and trying to multiply my decimals. People wanna hate, but they can't stop me from the books. See the scholarships and grind, see that's all it really took. See that's all it really take. I ain't trying to pump fake, I'm just trying to throw the rock dog team. We on top, somebody say I'm lying. Well, don't call the cops, we can't even trust the cops. Black crime, will it stop? See, I barely say much, but when I do, it's always hot. Coming to your crib, wrecking, thunder, light into your spot. Black Jeep, black tent, parked in the parking lot. Come through, we Tims, might just switch it with some Crocs. Man, these dudes more brokers than some NBA flops. See, they clip me for the crown, no, I ain't forgot. But it's cool cause God put me in a whole better spot. Pageant point deductions, I knew I couldn't trust it. Still getting cash like the cash going buckets. Every season, grind season.
It's Lala on the beat. When they hear I'm coming to spit some rhymes, they know to beat they feet. Yeah, your girl make them run, but I ain't with the beef and business, I'm just trying to have some fun. I sit in my room and ponder on how far I done made it. I live like day to day, work hard on the weekends, get faded. Look at y'all, I ain't even talking about getting high, cause education is the wind beneath my wings that makes me fly. I got so much passion for this game, I'll never quit. My verse is bitchin' with the venom, call it snake bit. My style switch up so quick, ain't no telling what you gon' see. Stuntin' is a habit, but guess what, you can never get like me. I ain't being cocky, I'm just saying be you, cause there's some things you can make happen I could never do. Don't be a statue, go on and make it move. Figure out your goals, work toward them and gotta see them through. I love my shorty, but he worried about the mother girls. Got girls with boyfriends trying to be all up in Redlo world. He can have his fun, it's cool, but I'ma make my move last. If he ever forget my place, then I'ma have to smack.
Go crazy, 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 go crazy.
We in here, like swimwear on a wedgie.